Hello friends, good morning. I welcome you in the new episode of City News channel in your daily popular program, your favorite program, Daily Rashifal. It's my pleasure to be before you and an honor too, because the program has been just recorded and planned only for the friends of our clients who are staying abroad but not failing to watch us on television daily. Welcome friends again. Today is just 19th of December 2020, Saturday, a day devoted to Lord Hanumana in Indian mythology. The devotee of the strength, will and conviction, the most promising devotee in Hindu mythology who has just devoted his whole life for Rama and promised him to be stand by throughout his exile period. A most welcoming and respected the devotee Hanumana to be worshipped in India and abroad with wholehearted. I also bow before Lord Hanumana today. Today is just waxing moon day, the 6th day of waxing moon, called as just Margashish Shukla Shashti in Hindu calendar. Today is a constellation Dhanishta, which falls in zodiac sign Aquarius. Aquarius is itself a very soul, a peace lover soul, we can call. The person who not irritate and trouble anyone, who is totally just silent, pious and pure by heart and will, who is loving everywhere by his mischievous behavior and quiet nature, and no one forgets their warming smile, which is always welcoming. Actually, what to do today, what's special to do today on this such a auspicious occasion is, why not we become rich by habits today? Because our habits are sources. Our habits is a source which can transcend our time. Our hobbies are making our time always precious. Therefore, eventually we can say, to make our life precious, adopt a rich habits, good habits, a very funny habits also. Actually, author Emerson said, happiness of life lies in the elimination of non-essential. Then the problem comes, what essential is? The essential is that which cheer up our nature, our behavior, our family, and our, what we can say, the premises we stay, and eventually that is a part of our hobby also. Our habit deals with our hobby. The person who has a good habits, most of us always encouraged by good habits always. So the friends, welcome you again here. To make your life precious on this Dhanishta constellation today, everyone can do and bring their name into mantra. For example, we can say, my name is Prakash, we can say Om Prakash Chandraya Namaha. Means myself is not only a name but a hymns also, a mantra also. When your name come in some mantra, your importance, the value of your soul will be a self-respect. It can work as a auto-suggestions for yourself and for your family. You will find the most miraculous result in coming 21 days when we repeat this mantra daily 3 times. Your own name in your own mantra. Believe, a day will come, your life will become a hymns. No other books and hymns you have to read and study there, because your life will become worthy, your life will become precious, a scripture, a stotra. So such stotras are given in Hindu mythology, in Vedas, in Upanishads. Wherever the good dooms do, the work has been get done for the welfare of society, family and the nations. The books is always get written over such a great people. Why not you be such a great man? Because today's program can encourage you to be a great man for yourself, for your family and for your society, wherever you may be. Friends, again just have a look at for the today's Muhurta. Actually, the children who may have born today are totally blessed by the very good nature, behavior and habits. So we just give blessings to them that may you live long to provide a good service for your family and society. And we congratulate those parents who becomes father today. And always on the behalf of our channel City News Amravati, we give best wishes to those who has their birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best for your future. Now the question has asked us, the Vamsi Damera from USA, Philadelphia, and Jude Fernandez from London. Those are regular just spectators of my programs. They requested me that Panditji, our friends are willing to listen you in English here. We said them that Panditji speaks English quite well. So it's our request to you that make one episode for us which will be helpful, a subject of learning and inspirative for our friends. Welcome friends and a friend of friends who are away from here, staying abroad. I pay my regards to you wholeheartedly and my blessings also are with you. And they ask us a very good question, the Damera and Fernandez, that Panditji, how to control over our unwanted thoughts? Very good questions. The thoughts, the real assets of life. Eventually the thought rules over the world. The thoughts are creative, but a question arises where from the thought comes. The time, place, space and cause conjoined makes an atmosphere of thoughts. Throughout our life we get a lot of thoughts, but on which thoughts to work exactly is just decided our impression of soul. So the friends, I welcome you again here, that first of all, to control our unwanted thoughts, the first good thing is that be busy in some hobby or some creative work. You can do homely work. Make a schedule to make your day precious. The busy life is gives warning to the good people. They always remain free from the unwanted thoughts also. And second solution is that do some effective meditation to respect the soul surrounded you who are invisible but are keeping watch over you. For example, we can say when there is a sweets somewhere, the ants get starting gathering there. So as you start meditation, the individual souls will surround you and devote your day in their name. You will get a good day in return of that. Therefore, hence, the meditation is universally respected and most affordable, adaptable and very self-respecting mode of controlling over our thoughts. Then now, what to do by different people today to control their thoughts? For the all 12 zodiac signs, first of all the Aries. Suppose you are feeling trouble in controlling thoughts, better you read good books today. The biography of some great person will help you definitely. Taurus. For you to play with childs is a very good pastime. Listen childs carefully. Copy them. Imitate them. And try to give good habits to your children. Will in return develops your good habits. Gemini. Suppose you have problems of trouble of thoughts. Then you start sharing your thoughts with your friends. Sharing is a very good act. Suppose we get a right people to share, we get very right return. But unwantedly, unnecessarily, suppose we get very wrong people to share, that can develop criticize, tensions and several problems also. Avoid and select proper people. Cancer. The person who belongs to the zodiac sign Cancer always engage in the difficulties in life. They must get always difficult questions to solve because your all easiness lingering in all difficulties. Okay, be believe. Leo. The person who belongs to the zodiac sign Leo, they have to treat with courtesy and respect with the people surrounded you. Even they are smaller to you, younger to you, older to you, be respected to be respected. Virgo. If you are falling in Virgo, then be a self-thinker. Make a notebook at the bedside journal. Do note down your dreams regularly there and a strong thought for a day and the event which is worthy you found for yourself. Then Libra. If you are in Libra, start your day with generosity. First of all, you can start the day with good prayer. The generosity start with your prayer. And second, whatever you have, the physical strength, financial strength, or you can give at least a very warm smile to someone, do it. Your generosity will make your life precious. Scorpio. The person who falling in Scorpio zodiac did not think much that is harmful to you. Be practical. Whatever you think, act over that. Whatever you just possess, just deliver it, clear it, and give in return that what the appreciation is that is useful for you. Do praise, admire others, give appreciations. You will become a very good man today. Sagittarius. The person who is Sagittarius is not much involved in confidence. Better than confidence, honest efforts are. To do honest efforts in everything is better than confidence always. Capricorn. The person who falls in Capricorn, never to do hard work. Select smart work. Don't tell your children to do by heart it or repeat it, copy it. No, say them. Think about it 10 times. It's what, of what, for what. What is the use for me? What is the use for my family and my society? Think about 10 times about anything, you will become a smart man. Aquarius. Aquarius, suppose you believing in thinking positive, it's not fair. You can just face the situations, whatever is before you. That is better than becoming positive. Always keep yourself ready for the things, people and the circumstances which the life will keep before you. You will become more positive naturally. Okay? And the last is Pisces. Suppose you want to be free from your bad habits, bad situations, the bad atmospheres against your will and behavior. Don't try to be free and away from them. Accept it, whatever is. Accept it, the God has given me a life, suits me, the people who are good for me and the things which are very helpful and lucky for me. Okay friends, it's all about today. Your life and day will be very happy. Follow these and do meet us on every Saturday in English edition of Daily Rashifal on your favorite channel, City News. To see this channel regularly, you can subscribe the channel City News Amravati and just press a bell icon. You will get a daily notifications to aware you. And just not forget to give reply and comments over this program, how you feel about it. Your complaints, your questions are welcoming. You can also participate in these programs. Your predictions also can be given on this channel with just call us on the numbers given below. You can connect to the WhatsApp, submit your photo and date of birth and time and place. Your predictions will be given on this program also. Thanks friend for meeting us today on these channels. We will meet on the next Saturday also. Till then, goodbye.